So in this series we're gonna try to make a character selection panel. So before we start, we're gonna go to Asset Store and get a quick little package. So up here we're gonna type Simple Fantasy GUI. I'm gonna click on it. We're gonna scroll down and we're gonna hit the import button. And when we have imported it, we come down here as this. Then we are ready to start. So first we're gonna make a camera. And we're gonna rename it UI camera. And for clear flags, we're gonna say def only. And current mask, we're gonna first say nothing, then UI. So it's only gonna record the UI and gonna go after the diffs. And protection, we're gonna say orthographic. By orthographic is normally used for 2D, but we're gonna use it here. And def, we're gonna say 1. And then we're gonna go to the main camera and make sure the def is 0 here. So this will mean that this one will be first rendered and then the main camera in that order. Okay, so we're gonna say here it's gonna create a UI and create canvas. Here we got our canvas, and in the canvas we're gonna create a UI panel. So now we can see it's all gray, and we are currently recording all the gray area. So I can do it a little bit bigger here to make it easier to see. There we go, and out. Okay, so we gonna this one gonna be like holding our buttons here in the left corner. So we're gonna first say this one's pivot need to be at the lower left side, and then we're gonna take it here and make it a bit smaller, something like this, and then we will move it a bit up like this, and we're gonna look in the play button if it looks alright for us. So right now our buttons will be in this area and fill this much. I think it's alright actually, so I will not change it, but you can have your own sides. And then we will take and call this button holder, and when we can call this for UI canvas, and we have to put the layer to UI. Yes, and then we're gonna create a UI button. We go a bit in onto the button. We're gonna call this one for the play button, and we're gonna scale it up a bit. Here, and we're gonna change the text to play button, play game, and we're gonna make the text white. We can wait with that in a second so you can see why we're gonna change it to white. But if we go into simple fantasy GUI and PNG and take the loading bar, not loading bar, we take the login panel, we can go into the play button and find the image sprite and take this sprite and put on top, and we will see now it's here, and it changed. And what color you like here is up to you, but I like to have white so it's easier to see. And we change the front side like 50, and then we're gonna create another button and another one, and we call this one for extra, and we call this one for options, and of course we need an exit button. and then we go into all our buttons and rename the text to extra, and go into the next one and say options, and we go into the last one and say exit game. And then we're gonna go into the bottom holder and we're gonna add a component, a vertical layer group. So you're gonna search VER, vertical layer group, and now it will be laid out with the same amount of space between them, so it will be aligned properly. And you will say middle center, and if you at some point wants to like add a new button, it will automatically change the spacing and make it so they all can be there. So right now I'm just gonna add these 4 buttons, and I'm gonna look in the game how it looks, and I'm actually happy about this simple easy look. That here we want to click play game, and we come into the character selection screen. Here we have extra, and here we have some options like sound, graphics, and here we can exit the game. So what we're going to do now is just take the color of the bottom holder and change its alpha to 0, so we cannot see it anymore. So this is like where we're gonna start, and we're gonna work from this area. So follow up in the next video, and we will add some more stuff like how to click on it and stuff.